Lesson 10.6, Video 3. Find the missing links. Now notice that in our directions it states that the triangles in each pair are similar. So we know that the similarity is there. We don't have to prove it. But we're going to use that knowledge to make proportions and to find the missing pieces. Now in order to do so, we have to make sure that we match up the proper corresponding sides. So if we look at the shape, we know by previous discussions that this angle and this angle are equal. They're opposite angles or vertical angles that are equal in measure. Now if you look at the angles in each triangle, you'll notice that the biggest one in each one is V and D. Those are both obtuse. So those two match up. And then we can naturally say that this third angle matches up with the third angle of each one. Now that's important because that tells us that side 36, which is between the 1 tick mark and the 3 tick mark angle W and U, matches up with the side in the other triangle that is between the same two equal angles. So if 36 is between the angle with 1 tick mark and 3 tick marks, then the side that is between the same two equal angles would be 9. So 36 and 9 match up. 24 then matches up, is between the 1 tick mark and 2 tick marks. So the side that is between the 1 and 2 tick marks is the unknown here. So I'll put a variable. So that is properly matching it up. Now notice that I went from left triangle to right triangle. As long as I make that same direction with both fractions, with both proportions, then I'm okay. So don't go left to right on one fraction and then right to left on the second. You'll have your sides matched up improperly. So here we can cross multiply, and we get 36x equals 9 times 24, which is 216, divide by 36, and the unknown side is 6. So knowing that they are similar allowed us to use proportions. In our next one, again, we notice that we have two different triangles present. We have the smaller one, E, F, and C, with side lengths 7, 5, and 4. Then we have the larger triangle, with side lengths 21, which is given right here, and unknown right here, and 12. Now they want us to find the unknown. Okay, so let's make a proportion. Now again, what sides match up? Well, angle C is the same in both triangles, so we know that angle C is equal. If we look at the triangles again, the largest ones in each one is F and A. So that means that the third angle will be equal in measure. So I can say that 7 and 21 match up, because 7 is between the 3 tick mark and 1 tick mark angles, and so is 21. Now I'm looking for this one right here. That's unknown. That's a question mark there. So what side matches up with that? The 5 does. So again, I went left to right with the first fraction, so I'm going to go left to right with the second fraction, and that's the unknown. So we cross multiply, and we get 7x equals 21 times 5, which is 105, divide by 7, and we get 15. Now could I have used 4 and 12 instead of 7 and 21? Could I have used these two angles and made a fraction? Yes. That would have been fine. And if you want to try it out, you could, and you would find that you would get the same thing. And this ends Lesson 10.6, Video 3.